fix it, open Task Manager, check for Roblox and end the task of Roblox if available. End the task and search. Scroll down and search if there is any background running app is available or not. If it's running means end the task. After completing, search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data, percentage Roblox. Click OK. Scroll down and click local storage and delete the files inside the local storage. Come back, click log folder and delete the files and folder inside the log folder. Once completing this, come back and click temp capture storage. Delete the files and folders inside it. Once completing this, come back, close it. And the next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset, click reset now. It will reinstall all your network adapters. Once completing, after check Roblox is running or not. If still have same issue, last and final step, delete the Roblox in local app storage, delete it. After deleting, come back, search for control panel, click uninstall a program, scroll down and uninstall a Roblox, right click and uninstall. After uninstalling, you need to go to the official website of Roblox and install a updated Roblox. Thank you.